Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to show you how to tag people on Instagram story. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app, because I am showing you this on the latest version of the app. And once you have done that, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And then I am simply going to post a quick little story, so I am just going to select a photo from my gallery. And then, when you are on this screen, tap on your photo or video that you want to, and then tap on this mention button, and it will show you that symbol. Then, go ahead and type in the person that you want to tag and simply select that person. And boom, now they are tagged in your story. So let me show you another way to do this. So tap on this peeled sticker icon at the top, and then simply tap on mention. Then you can type in the username of the person that you want to tag. You can move it around. You can tap it to change how it looks, and then you can simply add this to your story. So that's how you can mention anyone in your Instagram story. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day.